Hello everyone. Today we are going to make lantern, star shaped lantern. For that we need origami papers. So we can use 7 papers here. You can take same color paper, different color paper, whatever you like that you can take. We need pencil, scale, scissors and Fevicol. First we will take one paper and we will fold it in a half, press it nicely, then unfold. You will get the center line. Till center line, the corners, this corner we will fold it like this way, 1 and 2, second one like this. After this, take Fevicol and any one side. Carefully we will apply Fevicol and this side we will stick it one upon one. Do not overlap so much, like this, and let it dry. After drying this, check it should dry. If by mistakenly you press, the inside part will stick, so you can put your scale or pencil, you can open it like this, it should empty from inside. Now after sticking that, again see that line like this, it should be match, and then this sticking line and this should be match, and you can press it again, so you will get center. Now from here, from this point, on this same line we will take 4.5 centimeter. See here 4.5 centimeter like this, and here on 0 I am making point. Then this point and this line we are going to match, this and this one. See this, and this is 4.5 centimeter. From here to here I took 4.5 centimeter. Now this line we are going to cut it. Like this. Now here again 1 centimeter we are going to take. Mark it on 1 centimeter and we will draw a line here. Like this. After this, here V shape, like this V shape we are going to make. Here also like this. This V we are going to cut it. And here this point. We will get like this. Now here 2 sides you got, 1, 2. Here one side we are going to cut it, not the downside one, only one. So you can open scissor like this, cut your paper. This upper one we are going to cut. Like this. You have to make all same. The second one how you will make? Like this you hold. Press it. First one you keep it on second one. See the sides, and here you can draw. Three, four you can cut it together. Otherwise separate you can do all the steps. Now here you can fold this like this and like this. Unfold the upper one. Already you got the line here, fold line, that you can cut it. Okay. Now the downside you are having, this one back side we are going to fold like this. This one separate only you have to do. Now this point, after folding this is coming out. This one we are going to cut it. Be careful, don't cut this paper. Which paper is coming out, that only we are going to cut. See, this one is coming out. Now, which part we fold? This is important step, please see carefully. This, which part we folded back side, that we will unfold, and here we will put glue. Like this. Now this is second one. See, like this you are going to, this part we will be up like this we are going to take, and this plain side before that you check every side. Inside if it is not going, you can put pencil, any stick like this. See, the pocket should be like this. Now see, fold part will be up. Now here again 1 upon 1 you will keep this, and this you have to stick it inside this. So take this and you can stick it inside like this. One here and one on other side. So if you will think it is difficult for sticking, you can open it like this and you can stick it. Turn it. One you can wait, if it is one, if you are sticking, you can wait till dry, then second you can stick. If you are not confident like that, you can't stick together. If you are not confident, you can do like this. See, first one done, then second one you can stick it like this. See this. After sticking, check it. It should not stick to each other. Only here, because of this pocket, you will get like this. Now all 7 you have to stick it 1 upon 1 like this, same way. Now all 7 I stick, let it dry. Do not try to open it immediately. After drying only we have to check it. Now here the last one, the flap I am having here, that we have to cut it. So we will pick it up. Here you will get small star. If you want bigger one, you can take big square. And then you have to measure it like that only. And then you can check it is correct or not. See, from inside, outside, like this. Here, before opening, you have to put your finger and press it like this. And you can open it all. Now here you can punch it, or you can make hole with pencil. You can tie the thread, you can put bulb inside, and you will get the star lantern like this. You can decorate it if you want. You can punch it here also for the light. Anything you can do it. And your star lantern is ready. Thank you.